Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download Hogwarts Legacy in 2023. So first up, I want you to go to Google and search for Epic Games Launcher. We need to download this. So make sure you click the first link, should be store.epicgames.com. So click on this first link. So from here, we want to select this option, download Epic Games Launcher. So give it a few seconds to download, or a few minutes depending on your download speed. And you want to click on this installation file. So from here I already have the Epic Games Launcher installed, but basically all we have to do is click on next, select the folder where you want to install it. It doesn't matter because that's not where your games will be installed. And then after that, just click next and install this program as per usual. I'm not going to do it, like I said, because I already have it. So after we have installed the Epic Games Launcher, you can either find it on your desktop, or I'm going to search here for Epic Games Launcher, and it should look like this. You want to open it up, so simply click on it. Click yes. And it might take a little bit of time to open up for the first time. I don't know, for some reason it's slow, but it should look like this. If you are not logged in, if you don't have an account, actually, I'm just going to sign out to show you as well. Yes, click on sign out. It is going to look something like this. So select the platform or the way of registering that you are comfortable with. So you can register for an Epic Games account directly. You can sign in with Facebook, Google, Xbox Live. You see all of these different methods of signing in, but I'm going to use Epic Games right here. So after you have created your account, just simply log in with your credentials. And here, where it says search store, we want to search for Hogwarts Legacy and click on this option. This is the game itself. So it will tell you the price in your native currency right here. And basically all we have to do is click on buy now. It will ask you whether you want to pay with credit card or PayPal. So I've just selected credit card, and here is where you write your credit card information. So after that, all you need to do is click on place order, and this will automatically download it for you. You will receive a confirmation that you have bought this game successfully, and then all you need to do is install the game itself. It will, it will begin automatically installing for you. So the only thing you need to select is the place or the folder where it should be installed, and then Epic Games will do everything automatically for you. So that is how you get Hogwarts Legacy. Thank you for watching. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe if this was helpful. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.